thank you. I ran through some of the slides, but time is less. So.
Thank you, Sachin. Thank you for a nice talk. In the interest of time, we will take a couple of questions, maybe 2. Yeah, please.
So in the beginning, you said that during BSc, one can go over learning the fundamentals is more important, and specialization can come later on.
Yes.
But but in 11th and 12th, a student has almost gone through all the major segments of biology to at least localize which problem comes from which part of biology.
Correct.
So in BSc, if they really have to understand a topic, they can start off with small projects like the ones you said, getting microbiome from the nature and understanding each of the process, and that is going to take time.
Sure.
So why does a student have to go through all the things again?
Sure. So first answer to this question is practical exposure. So in 11th and 12th, the kind of practical exposure that the students get is very minimal. Okay. Second thing is the depth of those concepts. So the depth in 11th and 12th education is comparatively, it's less, right? So to do any kind of experimentation, the more of theoretical knowledge that you will have, that strong fundamental needs to be built first. So if that is done, then surely you can go ahead in your specialization. So I'm not saying that in UG we should not have specializations, but let it come at a later stage, not at the very start. So maybe in NEP at the 4th year, or maybe at the 3rd year. So let us try to first build up on the fundamentals in the first few semesters, and then let them select the electives, because that also gives them a broader idea of what they want to do, right? See, many of them who just take up microbiology because it's very, fancy, because they heard of COVID, they may not really realize that they're interested in ecology, but they never got exposed to it. So if that exposure is given first, it makes a huge difference. Correct, but it's very small. As compared to what is the depth, it is really very small. So
even after BSc, even if they get a lot of exposure, again when you go in PhD, every fundamental is questioned. Why do you have this question? They
sure, sure. So that's the process of science, right?
That's the process.
Yeah. So at least, see, even in 12th standard, it happens so that they're so focused towards the entrance exam that many a times, a lot of things are just given weightage, and then you're not focusing on the rest. So these few semesters in undergraduate studies giving you that opportunity to focus on it first and then make an informed choice is what I would suggest.
There are no more questions. Let's thank the speaker once again.
Thank you.
Now we have the next talk from Dr. Shanabau Bagul. He will be talking to us on perspective on